Hi everyone, this is the Rebel Rabbi. Today we will be hanging a mezuzah on our doorpost. What is a mezuzah? A mezuzah is a little box which inside has a parchment. And on that parchment it describes how God took the Jews out of Egypt and He performed miracles. And we should always remember these miracles and speak about these miracles when we go to sleep and when we wake up. And it also speaks about there in the Bible that we should write it and put it on our doorpost. So that is the mezuzah. And till today, thousands of years later, on all of our doorposts, many Jews put a mezuzah to proudly display the miracles God has performed for us in the past and continues to perform. It also brings blessing to our houses and our offices and is a beautiful display of proud Judaism. So you could put the mezuzah on the front door of your house or your office if you are the owner or you are renting the space, as well as you can put a mezuzah on every doorpost in the place you own or are renting or you're living there. Exception is the bathroom does not require a mezuzah. This mezuzah, the cover is actually handmade, crafted by wood, and inside we have a special parchment all the way from Israel, which was handwritten by a scribe with a feather, with ink and parchment. We're putting this mezuzah on our doorpost right here at our beautiful new Jewish center in downtown. The blessing we make before putting on the mezuzah on our doorpost, and if we're putting on a few in a house or office space, we just make the blessing on the first one. In English, it is, "Blessed are you, Lord our God, King of the universe, who commanded us to set a mezuzah on our doorpost." I will now say it in Hebrew when I hang it up. So typically, we want to put it on the right side when you enter of the doorpost, and about 2/3 up, and we hang it there. I'm using some double-sided tape to make sure it sticks on. Some people drill it in or knock it with the nail. And in the front, there's a little shin, which is the first Hebrew letter of God's name, which traditionally is on the front of the case, or if it's a see-through case, it's written on the front of the scroll. And right before we put it up, we make the blessing. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kidishanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu likboa mezuzah. That's it. Mazel tov. We have a mezuzah on our doorpost. This is the Rebel Rabbi. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please put it in the comments down below.